Set is a very important data type in Python as well as a data structure. Well, this is the last data type and the last data structure in Python we are going to talk about. Well, set is an unordered collection of unique objects. What it means? I say two things here: an unordered collection and a unique objects. How it looks? Well, I want to have an example here. It looks like the bracket is like dictionary. And why we use this instead of dictionary? And what's the need of this set? Well, dictionary, the main difference between a dictionary and a set is the, well, a key and pair value. The dictionary is, but set is not a key and pair value. Set is an ordered collection of unique object. Well, how it looks when I say an ordered and unique object. Like, first of all, I want to print this. Let me show you. So 1 till 5 it shows. But how we can prove that except the unique objects? Like, we have 2 5s here. Instead of 1, we have 2 5s. And we have like 2 4s. When we print this, will it be like that? No, because it is ordered and unique, not the same, because 2 4 2 5, it doesn't accept that. And when we use this, why we use this set, and what's the need of this set in our program or in our programming language, or sometimes we create a website, what is the usage, how we use this, where we use this? So sometimes, or in many websites, there are username and emails. So in the complete website, the emails, if the database collects all the emails should not be like same, they should be unique. Then we use this set. And username cannot be same, like 2 3 usernames cannot be in a website, so it should be unique. So the website will have that possibility. That's why we use this set. Well, let's have some methods. For example, I want to have my set and dot add. I want to add 100 and one another value, my set dot add, for example 6. What will be the output? Well, it throws an error. Why it throws an error? Because the value is not correct. Name error. Well, my name my is not defined. What means where it is? Well, I want to clear one of them. Okay, my set is assigned here, my set. So I have these values. It prints something like 1 2 3 4 5 100 and 6. Well, it is order. And secondly, we cannot have a repetition. Like, let's have my set dot add. Again, I want to show you 5. The 5, the repeated 5 is not added here. So it doesn't accept the repetition. It doesn't accept the repeated answer. So, well, if I print something here like 5 in my set, let me show you here. True. It is true. And let me have the length of this my set. And if I print this, well, 7, the length is 7. because these are also edited 100, 6 and all that. So the length is 7, and also these methods are available and can be used here and on set as well.